Hi, this is our demonstrator project that we've been working on and off for the past couple of months. We had some issues with the soldering iron and then difficulties with time, but here it is. It is fully finished now. Now I'll turn it on with this slide switch. You can see that the LEDs are moving in a specific pattern. This one is controlled by all these little items here. So right here is a IC decade counter. Right here is a time IC. Right here, this electrolytic capacitor and ceramic capacitor, which hold electricity. Got a resistor there and potentiometer, which you see if you move it one way, it gets really slow. And then you can move it the other way and it'll get really fast, like really fast. And up here, we have a very similar thing going on, just a little bit different. We have all of our LEDs and resistors up like how we did here, but we have this Arduino NANO microcontroller that has code in it from a computer to program these so it can have a different mode using this button. Right here we have a capacitor, ceramic capacitor here like we had down here, and another potentiometer, so you can see we can speed this up as well. And when you press this, the mode changes like this, and you can change the speed always. Here's the next one. It is going back and forth like this one, but this one is not zigzag. This is just counting forward. And then there's one more after this goes. This is the random one, where it picks a random LED to light up, and then it turns off the one underneath. It is powered by this 9-volt battery pack, or if you don't have a battery with you, you can you can run it using external device like your laptop, and that will provide the voltage that it needs to run. Not only did we have to learn what each of these components do to operate this system, we also had to solder the back of this, each individual part. And each of the parts has at least 2 sides to solder in place.
All right. Well done, bud.